Incremental greetings. Welcome to Pleasure Learning. I'm Guillem Palau, also known as Guillem Palace. And yesterday I did 8 bonds. And last but not least is that I get to know Piotr Wozniak. But I must say that it's not that related to SuperMemo. So most of what we share is about schooling, the school coursing, school parenting, and so on. It's not about SuperMemo itself, as in the software. So I don't see him, I will send an email thinking, you that are the developer of SuperMemo, nah. Sometimes I did, with the translation on another issue I don't remember about SuperMemo, that I posted in the SuperMemopedia, and I get no reply. So then is when I ask himself in person. But now we have exchanged about 400 emails in 3 months in 2021. So it's a pretty big deal. That was unexpected, absolutely unexpected. And even it's not related to SuperMemo, what we exchange. Now I can understand more or less his mindset. So I connected dots of what how SuperMemo it is, because it's meant to be used the way he thinks. So let's say that, some specific things that I noticed were kind of obscure or weird, now makes sense. It's like, if I would think with his personality, I will have this like that, and spot on. And another thing is that it happens that our point of view, there's a huge overlap with the point of view. For instance, the layout. It's likely if you're watching this, and most of the people in the community don't like the layout. The user interface. I do. It's not fancy in the sense that, wow, it's so cool, I cannot live without it, but it's okay. I don't need an improvement in the user interface. Improve other things, but not the user interface. It's enough. I don't see why it's crappy, or it's, I don't know. Maybe it's my age. I'm used to all software. I was raised with DOS, then Windows 95, 98, second edition, and way later the Windows XP, and then Linux and so on. But maybe it's that, because I lived the old school era, I'm used to this, but don't get me wrong, I like it. So that's more or less everything I wanted to share for the 8 months of SuperMemo. I know what will be the future in the 1 year. Solid experience of incremental writing, which I'm still new, and other things. This has been useful for you, my experience. Please feel free to comment whatever is on your mind, and I will love to hear your thoughts. So nothing more to add today, and see you next time.